Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to synchronize only the folders you want in Google Drive. To do this, it's really simple. You have to have Google Drive application installed on your Mac or laptop. It's the first thing. You should open the application, and after that go and click on more options. Go and click on preferences, and here, as you can see, you have the folders that been synchronized from my computer. You have to click add folder, and from here you can choose the folders that you want them to be synchronized. For example, desktop, documents, download, or even folders inside them. And after that you have just to click on open, and Google Drive will start synchronizing that folder with the Google Drive, your Google Drive account. But of course, it will be synchronized with the same account that you are using on your computer. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.